Hey guys, we have a problem here. Werewolf hands.
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, we're back. Happy fall. This is my favorite time of year. We have a lot of packages here today, so we're gonna unbox them. And I also want to say that these didn't just come within the last week. I kind of procrastinated a little bit, and some of these have been sitting around for a while, so I don't always do the unboxing videos as soon as I get the packages, although I just put one out that was from a while ago. So these are the newest packages I have, and I'm going to try to get them all out there. It's going to seem like I have a lot, because I do, but let's just go ahead and open the first one. This is perishable. And I can't find my normal unboxing knife, so I'm using my backup. Okay, so this one is from Alpha Foods. We have Alpha Foods. They have two different kind of products. They have their burritos and their pot pies. So this would be their pot pies. You can see that. Wow, they're all different flavors. So we have 6 different flavors here. Let's figure those out real quick. They are obviously vegan. We have spinach feta, we have a buffalo chicken pizza, chicken pesto, chicken veggie, and beefy cheddar. Now I have tried a few of these and they're pretty good. Their crusts are really flaky, and they actually recommend you put them in the microwave for a couple minutes, and when you do that, their crust still stays flaky. I'd rather cook mine in the oven, but it takes a lot longer. The other thing that I have here are their burritos. So Alpha Foods, in my opinion, has the absolute best frozen burritos that you can buy. These are all vegan, and they have 4 different flavors. We have the pizza flavor, the Philly cheesesteak, the Mexicali, and the chicken fajita. We've done the burritos before in a video, but the pot pies are new. So these are 12 grams of protein, all plant goodness, hearty taste. It's a nice, convenient food. I wouldn't eat these every day, but if you're on the run and you need something for dinner and you don't have a lot of time, throw one of these in the microwave or even the oven or even the air fryer. Yeah. All right, next package, or packages. Always cut away from you, unless, of course, you're a professional zombie slayer. All right, we have Violife. Violife makes some pretty darn good vegan cheese. And let's see what they gave me today. The Mediterranean, this is like the halloumi. This is amazing. It's the kind of cheese that you grill. You grill it. It doesn't melt like normal cheese. You grill it, you get some nice grill marks on it. It gets nice and crispy on the outside, nice and creamy on the inside. It's really good. Thank you, Violife. And then it looks like we got a whole big chunk of their feta. This is the feta. It's really good. They sent me some of their individual packs a while ago, but now we have the big industrial pack, so we'll see what we can make in the kitchen with this. They make delicious cheese, and if you've ever tried chow or follow your heart cheeses, they make those as well. So Violife is from Greece, and they are in some stores here in the United States. I haven't seen them in any stores, but you can order from places like Vegan Essentials, and I guess they are in like lots of stores. I just haven't seen them in any stores near me. Wow, I'm really getting hooked up with the cheese. I will not go hungry in my zombie apocalypse. We have some more of the Mediterranean over here. Also, we have a block of their mozzarella, so this will be great for making like pizza, lasagna, that kind of stuff. So or just eating it like that. It's delicious, their mozzarella. So there you go, Violife. Thanks, guys. Next box. What's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box?
Better Earth Company. Chris, my name is Justin Monroe. I'm a huge fan of the Vegan Zombie. My girlfriend Maddie and I recently started Better Earth Company, and we plan to sell many vegan, eco-friendly products. We wanted to send you guys over bamboo toothbrushes to try, so please let us know how you like them. I can always use a new toothbrush. Better Earth Company bamboo toothbrush. Look at that eco-friendly box right off the start. They're Better Earth Company on Instagram. The purchase of this product plants 1 tree. And it says vegan and cruelty-free on there. BPA-free soft bristles, natural, eco-friendly, 100% biodegradable bamboo handle, smooth and comfortable design, sustainably made, recycled, and compostable packaging. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so we have 4. There it is. It says Better Earth Company bamboo toothbrush. I actually do use bamboo toothbrushes, and mostly when I travel. Here at home I have an electric toothbrush, but right now I will put these in my zombie bug out bag, so if I ever have to leave home again, I will have it. So thank you guys, Better Earth Company. Now we have a package from 22 Days Nutrition. Oh, they're only my favorite protein powder company and protein bar, as you can see. I use their products daily, usually in a smoothie. We have a bottle of their strawberry protein powder. This is very, very clean ingredients. What is inside? Pea protein, sacha inchi, flaxseed. Very simple ingredients, and still 20 grams of plant protein, 110 calories. It's really good tasting. I don't feel bloated when I use this like I do with some other protein powders. So 22 Days Nutrition, and also some of their protein bars right here. We have the peanut butter chocolate chip and the salted caramel. As far as protein bars goes, these are my favorite. A lot of protein bars taste like protein bars and they're not that good. I can actually snack on these, they're that good. So if you see them in stores, try them out. They have 4 different flavors, and you can also get them. I'll put the link below. So thank you, 22 Days Nutrition. All right, we're not even halfway done yet. We're still going. All right, we have this package. It says Schmidt's on it. Let's see what we got. All right, Schmidt's. We have Lily by the Valley and natural deodorant and sensitive skin formula. Let's open one of these. Bam. In my search for vegan deodorant over the years, it has taken me a very long time to find one that I like and one that actually works. And I can say that Schmidt's is that. So I use Schmidt's every day. I use the cedarwood, and I have the charcoal one, and there's one other one that I use pretty often, and I don't remember the name of that one. 5% of your purchase benefits the Jane Goodell Institute, and these are cruelty-free and vegan. These are more of a fresh scent soap smell, maybe, is if I'm trying to be accurate. They have a ton of different scents, and I highly recommend Schmidt's. And I'm not being paid to say that. That's what I use every day. Personally, it smells good and it keeps me from sweating all over the place. And then we have the activated charcoal natural soap. I have not used this yet, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Look at that, Schmidt's. And then we also have some body wash, which I do use this, the jasmine tea, and also the cedarwood juniper. I use both of these and I like them both. They smell great. On to the next package here. We have this package right here. Neat Food. So I did a few videos with them back in the day. We made some taco pizza and some pizza taco. So they now have oatmeal pecan raisin. So they now have a cookie mix. And I have not tried this, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Mocha dark chocolate cookie, chia seeds and garbanzo beans, and that's their neat egg. You just put this powder mix in a little bowl and you stir it together with some water, and you have the consistency of an egg for an egg replacer. They also have cinnamon pecan pancakes. That sounds good. Good breakfast or any time of the day. Cowgirl cookie. This is dried cherries, pistachios, and chocolate chips. That sounds good. It says vegan, egg-free, soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO. Vegan egg is in the mix. So that vegan egg is already in here. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about adding. Ooh, black bean brownie. These are all new to me. I have not tried these. And then the last one is the Southwest mix. So this will make like a Southwest burger. Looks good on there, doesn't it? So all these new products there. That's pretty neat. I wasn't kidding when I said I'm not going to starve in the zombie apocalypse. I got all this stuff. We're just going to rip this one open like there's zombies on the way or something. Boom! Upton's. Upton's Naturals. Oh my god, I love these. I got one of these once a few years ago and I still use my fork, ended up breaking. And I'm so glad I got these again because I still use the spoon to this day and also the knife. So, bamboo utensils. You can bring these with you anywhere. This will also go in my bug out bag, so put this with my bamboo toothbrush. Thanks, Uptons. This is from Natalie Slater. Natalie used to work with I Heart Quinoa, now she's with Uptons. So these are meals in 1 minute. And if you follow me on Instagram at The Vegan Zombie, I have been making these lately and showing these on my story. But we have this one right here, the curry. We have the Thai spaghetti. Not mom's spaghetti, but Thai spaghetti. The Thai curry noodle. And the pad see ew. I have tried all of these before and they are really good and they do cook in a minute. And the reason I had them was because I saw them at the Expo East and she gave me one of each package. So thank you for that and thank you for those. Where are we at now? We're at, ooh, perfect time of year. We got a package from the Vegan Vampire. Looks like his new shirt. I wear his other shirt quite often. Nice little skeleton there. Oh, Vegan Vampire, become one of us. Leave my friends alone. Just leave them alone, let them be. All right, let's see what kind of shirt we have here, guys. I like it. Cruelty free. Next package. Imagine Vegan Cafe. Order whatever you want, it's all vegan. I love going this is their menu. Some of the things they have, burgers, double bacon cheddar burger. I love going places and everything on the menu is vegan and you don't have to worry about cross-contamination or anything like that. I mean, unless you're like gluten-free and allergen-free and all that. Just to know, it isn't much. Oh, we got little cards here. Imagine Vegan Cafe in Memphis, Tennessee. Here it is. Imagine Vegan Cafe. That's their t-shirt and those are the little piggies. Where comfort and compassion meet. Tennessee, I've never been there. And now I have a reason to go. So thanks guys. We're still going here. Let's try this one. This one has some Ninja Turtles on it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, but it also looks like Shredder got to it. So here we have some Earth Mix. So Earth Mix, I just found out about this. This is from a guy that I just met here in my local area of apocalyptic region, Syracuse, New York. And he makes this vegan protein powder called Earth Mix. It is a double chocolate. I have not tried it yet. So he sent me this and I'm looking forward to trying it out, see how it tastes. It's got raw proteins, greens and seaweed blend, raw cactus, super roots, sprouted blend, mushroom matrix. There's what the back looks like. You guys can check that out. Pause it if you need to. And Earth Mix. It's like vegan Christmas and fall. All right, we have a meal plan and recipe, plant-powered mama bear. Go vegan or go home, the complete guide for busy families, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Going vegan just became easy. There's some of the pictures in there. And we have a message to Chris, Vegan Zombie. Thank you for taking the time to receive my cookbook. I hope you enjoy it. Best of luck surviving the zombie apocalypse. Ashley. Thanks, Ashley. Oh, Radiant Recipes. It looks like we have some Radiant cookies. Peanut butter cookies, chocolate peanut butter cookies. Can't go wrong there. Chocolate chip and banana bread cookies. So these are all natural, vegan, non-GMO. They're called radiantrecipes.com. So I'm looking forward to trying these out as well. More snacks for the apocalypse. Thanks guys. I will definitely be snacking on them at some point. Let's check out this long box right here. Okay, this is from one of my friends that I've known for a very long time. My friend Joelle has her own skateboarding company and she sells these skateboards. And I'm a longtime skateboarder, so she sent me this. The name of her company is 8th and Skate, and I really like the design there. So thank you, Joelle. I will have to put this together, or maybe I should hang it up and save it. Right there, maybe on the wall. No, we gotta skate it, right? If you guys are skaters or know somebody that skates, go check it out, 8th and Skate. It looks like we're coming down to the last of them. This might be the last package right here. Mad Hippie. Why? I don't know. We'll find out. Mad Hippie Hydrating Mist. Advanced Skincare. Massage spray into clean skin on the face, neck, chest, arms, other, wherever. I'll have to use that and tell you how it is. And then we have the Vitamin C Serum, which I already do have one of these. And also the eye cream. Now, I was first referred to a Mad Hippie by one of my friends, and she told me that she uses it and I should try it out. I was having really bad bags under my eyes, and I was just wondering if there was anything to help that out. And I've never used anything ever in my life until just this summer. I tried it out and it really works. So I put this on my face, the Vitamin C Serum, which I posted the other one, and then somebody advised that I should use this one too. So I tried this one out, and I actually put some on this morning, but it works and I like it. So I like this company. It's all vegan. This is their eye cream and their Vitamin C Serum. I will put links below, and this is the hydrating mist, which I have never tried. So I'm gonna try these out and see if this works and see how I like it, and then I'll do another update or something. So thank you, Mad Hippie. I think that is it for the packages. I do have some mail if you guys want to stick around. I'll open the mail. Okay, this one is to the Vegan Zombie. It is from Indianapolis, and on the back it says Dachshunds Rule. So let's find out what's inside the envelope. Would zombies live here? Purple Hills Ghost Ranch. I think maybe their spirits would live there, but they would probably wander off into some place and get into mischief. So Kirby, hello Mr. Zombie. I don't know much about zombies, but I sure enjoy your shopping trip and product review vlogs on YouTube. So I wanted to send you a note and thanks and a little something to put into the movie. Kirby Burton. Thank you, Kirby. I appreciate it. The Vegan Zombie. $3 here. Hello Chris, here's some dollars for your movie. I was going to donate electronically, but it started looking like a little too complicated when I tried. Hope cash is okay. Good luck, Jamie. Thank you so much, Jamie. That means a lot. And I have one more envelope from you. So let's open that up. We have a check for $5 for movie fund from James. So thank you, James. I appreciate it. And this is good luck with your zombie movie. Hope you make your funding. Darkness in the Deep. And this is In Between Zine number 2. Boom. And then we have one last one, and it's to the Vegan Zombie. We have some coupons for Hodo Soy, the best tofu. They're the ones that put the tofu in the sofritas at Chipotle. This past weekend we went to Veg Out Festival in Portland. Sorry guys, this is a little bit old. I had hoped you would attend. Yeah, I wasn't out in Portland, sorry guys. I wish I was there. We did meet up with Chris and Jasmine from Sweet Simple Vegan, and Caitlin from My Bowl, and hung out a little with them. We actually were able to spend a whole week basking in Portland sun. Vegan options, we have nothing really to speak of here. We know that you love Hodo tofu, so we sending you some coupons that were in our VIP bag. We're not huge fans of it. Take care, Joanna and Paul. Well, I will definitely use these, so thank you so much. And that brings us to the end of the video. I have one more package here. Forgot about it almost. This one right here is from Sarah. We have a zombie. We have a Walking Dead life-size stand-up zombie. Don't fall, little zombie. This is the zombie from The Walking Dead. This was in season 8. Right there. I love zombies, so thank you, Sarah, for the zombie. I'll find a better place to put it in the house. And thank you to everybody that sent me mail. And if you guys have something you want to send me, my address is below. Just make sure it's vegan, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.